So, in the last video, you learnt about sound travels in the form of waves. Now, what type of a wave is formed in air through which the sound travels? So, sound travels in air through longitudinal waves. The question arises, what is a longitudinal wave? Now, just look here. These I have shown air particles at rest. These are the air particles. Let's say sound energy is given in this way. Energy has been given in this way. And you all know air, they can leave their place. They are movable. Okay. So when energy is given, these particles, the particle which takes the energy, it comes closer to the another particle, gives energy to the another. Like this, the energy gets transmitted through each particle and finally it travels in the medium. So what happens when energy is given, these particles, they come closer. Just see here, I am showing they are coming closer. When they come closer, this is known as compression. Energy is given, the particles start vibrating and they come closer and impart energy to the neighboring particle. So when these particles come closer, that condition we call it as compression. Now, when the particles have imparted the energy, the previous particle, it comes back to its original position. And then the condition comes this way. Now the particles, they move apart. This condition is known as rarefaction. What it is called as? Rarefaction. And one compression and one rarefaction makes one longitudinal wave. One compression, one rarefaction makes one longitudinal wave. See, I am showing here particles coming closer when energy is given. Then we have, after imparting the energy, particles move apart. Again the energy goes further, particles come closer. Then when they have given the energy, again they move apart. So these conditions, these are said to be compressions. C stands for compression and this stands for rarefaction. One compression and one rarefaction makes one longitudinal wave. Now comes the actual definition of the longitudinal wave. When energy is given and the particles vibrate in the direction of the wave. See, this is the direction of the wave, the arrow which it is shown, this is the direction. Wave energy is going this way, a wave is going this way. And these particles are vibrating this way as my hand is moving. They are coming closer, compression. After imparting the energy, those particles come back to their original position. That condition we call it as rarefaction. So, when the particles, after taking the energy, come closer, then they move apart, come closer, move apart, such type of a wave, we called it as a longitudinal wave. So, longitudinal wave is a wave in which the particles vibrate in the direction of the wave. Like this, see my hand. Direction of the wave is this. It's vibrating in this manner. Now air is all through. So this sound energy can move this way also. So here the particles will vibrate in this manner. Whichever direction the wave is going, in that direction the particles are vibrating. Such type of a wave is said to be longitudinal wave. And remember children, longitudinal wave can occur in all the three media. Longitudinal wave occurs in solid, liquid and gas. In all the three media, this longitudinal wave can occur. So, sound travels in air in the form of longitudinal waves. But what about the solid? In solid also it can be formed, but In the solid, sound can travel in the form of another type of a wave, transverse wave, but since that is not in your syllabus, so we are not going up to the description.